Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with messy data in Power BI and wished you could quickly clean up or rearrange your columns, today's tutorial is going to save you tons of time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove, delete, and reorder columns in Power BI Desktop using some simple tips and tricks. So let's dive right in and tame that data, shall we? First things first, go ahead and open up Power BI Desktop. If you're in the habit of working with data, this should be second nature by now. Once your report or data file is open, we're going to head straight into the Power Query editor. Just click on Transform Data up in the ribbon. This launches Power Query. For those who aren't super familiar, Power Query is like your data cleaning workshop inside Power BI. It's where you do most of your heavy lifting before anything makes it into the final report. Alright, now you should see your data laid out in classic columns and rows, almost like an Excel spreadsheet. Let's say you've spotted a column that's completely unnecessary for your analysis. Maybe it's leftover from an old database export or it's just not relevant anymore. All you need to do is click to select that unwanted column. Now right-click right on the column header and choose Remove. And just like that, the column disappears. It's worth mentioning Power Query never actually deletes your original source data, it just hides that column from your working dataset. So don't stress, if you make a mistake, you can always jump up to the Applied Steps box on the right and undo any step. But what if you have several columns you want to get rid of at once? Here's a cool shortcut. Instead of selecting and removing each one by one, try selecting all the columns you want to keep asterisk. Hold down Control and click each relevant column. Then right-click on your selection and choose Remove Other Columns. Power BI will instantly wipe out everything except the ones you specified. This trick is especially handy if your data tables have dozens of extra columns you're not using, letting you focus only on what really matters without endless scrolling and clicking. Now let's talk about reordering your columns. Maybe you prefer certain fields front and center so they're easier to work with, or you just want your categories grouped together. No problem. Simply click and hold on the column header you want to move, then drag it left or right into the desired position, just like rearranging folders on your desktop. You'll see a faint green line pop up to show you where it will land. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get the exact order you want. You can drag and tweak as much as you need until your table makes sense to you. And that's pretty much it. By using these straightforward steps, you can quickly clean up your tables, get rid of clutter, and put your data in the perfect order for analysis, all straight within Power BI. Remember, tidying up your data at this stage makes creating accurate visuals and reports way easier down the line. If this helped you navigate Power BI a little smoother, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any tricky spots or have other questions you want covered. And if you're looking to get even more confident with Power BI, don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.